Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the different types of remote sensing data and also the websites that can be used to download these types of data. So we have different types of imagery. For example, we have optical imagery, which is RGB, red, green, blue bands. For example, Landsat 129 and also the Sentinel-2 are the optical or provide the optical imagery. But we have also radar imagery, which uses the microwave wavelengths. But optical imagery, which I talked about, uses the visible range of the wavelengths or microwave or electromagnetic wave. But radar imagery uses the microwave electromagnetic wave. So if you look at here the image, the left one is the optical imagery, the right one it is the radar imagery. And also we have another type of data which uses the laser pulses, which is called LiDAR, and this data is more accurate than the radar optical, but it is more expensive than both of them. And actually optical and radar data are freely available. For example, Sentinel-1 is the radar data and Sentinel-2 is optical data. Both are freely available with 10-meter resolution. But LiDAR data, it's more expensive and you have to buy it. And there are some data sets that can be downloaded freely, but for majority of the regions, you have to buy it. And we have also the thermal imagery. For example, the Sentinel or Landsat uses, I think it is a band 10 and band 11, which is for thermal imagery. You can use it for calculate the land surface temperature, for example, as this image. And also we have the hyperspectral imagery, which is also really expensive, just like LiDAR, because it uses for example, hundreds of bands or different bands. It is used for example, for the mineral detection. And we have different types of platforms that can be used to download or buy the data. For example, we have free platforms. For example, Sentinel platform, NASA, USGS Earth Explorer, Google Earth Engine, Copernicus Open Access Hub. All these are freely, or the data of this platform are freely available. You can just create an account by your email and download the data freely. And also we have commercial platforms such as Planet Labs, Maxar, Airbus Defense and Space, and also Hexagon Geospatial and Mapbox, and also other platforms which I will discuss in the course in detail. And majority of these ones that I mentioned, I will give guide and step-by-step download tutorial to download that data from these different sources, and also the data, the optical data, radar and thermal LiDAR data, and also the drone data. Or drone, there are some drone imagery that can be downloaded, and all will be instructed in step by step in the course.